Have you ever felt sluggish or stiff in the morning? If that's you, this flow is for you. We're going to target your core, hips, and shoulders to fire up your entire body. Welcome to your 5-minute session. Today we're dialing up the energy with a quick and effective dynamic core activation routine. All you need is your mat and a little space to move. No fancy equipment required. You can do this in your living room, bedroom, or even outside to soak up that morning vibe. Most people hit snooze and miss this chance to start their day right, but not you. You've shown up, and that's half the battle. I promise by the end of these 5 minutes, you'll feel stronger, more flexible, and ready to crush whatever comes your way. Let's hit the mat. Let's kick things off by waking up your core and glutes with a plank and reverse leg raise. Start in a high plank position, with your wrists under your shoulders and your body in a straight line. Drop to your forearms, engage your core, and slowly lift your right leg, keeping it straight and controlled. Lower back down and repeat for 30 seconds before switching to the left side. This movement activates your core, strengthens your glutes, and builds stability in your lower body. I promise this stretch will give you muscles that energized are ready to go feeling. Beginners can drop their knees for a modified plank, lifting one leg at a time. Advanced participants can hold the raised leg for a few seconds to increase the intensity. Come down to all fours and get ready for fire hydrants. Now let's fire up those hips with some controlled fire hydrants. From all fours, lift your right knee out to the side, while keeping it bent at 90 degrees. Lower back down with control and repeat for 30 seconds. Switch to the left side after. Focus on keeping your core engaged and your movement smooth. This stretch strengthens your hips, glutes, and core, while improving hip mobility. By the end, you'll feel like your hips are unlocked and ready for action. Beginners can reduce the range of motion to make it more comfortable. Advanced movers can add a slide hold at the top for extra activation. Sit back on your heels and prepare for some flowing movement with full hula hoops. Time to loosen up your hips and lower back with a flowing full hula hoop stretch. Stay in a kneeling position and place your hands on your hips. Begin to rotate your hips in a circular motion, as if drawing a big hoop around you. Switch directions after 30 seconds, making each movement smooth and intentional. This stretch improves hip flexibility, enhances spinal mobility, and releases tension in the lower back. I promise this movement will leave you feeling fluid and refreshed. Beginners can make smaller circles to keep the movement gentle. Advanced movers can deepen the stretch by leaning slightly forward or back during the rotation. Rise to your feet and prepare for the final stretch, a deep squat with T rotation. Let's finish strong with a deep squat and T rotation to unlock your hips and twist your spine. Begin in a deep squat with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Place your left hand on the ground for support and rotate your right arm up toward the sky, opening your chest. Switch sides after 30 seconds, reaching your left arm up while your right hand stays grounded. The stretch improves hip flexibility, opens your chest, and releases tension in your spine. I promise you'll feel balanced and energized to tackle your day. Beginners can sit on a low surface for support. Advanced participants can deepen the squat and hold each rotation longer. Rise slowly from the squat and take a deep breath to close out the session. Phenomenal job, fam. So you've activated your core, loosened your hips, and built strength for the day ahead. Showing up is the hardest part. and you really won the day just by being here. There's a free gift waiting for you in the description to help you take your fitness to the next level. Go check it out. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.